This is the VK120, very quick oven. What's great about this oven is that it's got no microwaves. It's a quick cook oven that cooks with conduction heat, convection heat, and IR heat. So what you can do, for example, is put a pizza in there and set the IR heat on the bottom higher so the bottom of that pizza will crust up nicely and the IR heat from the top will brown and melt the cheese really nicely. Now, for example, potato skins, you can fry them off, and then when you get an order for them, fix up all the potato skins and then put them in there. And then in a minute and a half, you can have finished potato skins. This is great for sandwiches. You can do open face sandwiches really quick. And what's great, because there's no microwave, it's going to leave a better quality of the food because the microwave, it won't degrade the quality of the bread. So you'll get a fast cook and have a really good quality food.